rocking it. Get my weight up. Put your weight up. Ain't going nowhere. Listen to it, girls. Now I mean, it's for life. Listen to the harmony. Check them out. Work hard for this. Non-believers, they can eat it. Even if I break, I was meant to do it, born into it. Since the evolution came about for doing this music, because not likely to quit, rhyme time still on point. Far from washed up, so many imposters talking hostile. Meanwhile, the rap game is like, see now, let me explain. Pull up skirts, tough talk be false. Just imagine every verse is trash talk to pass the time. That ass is lying. Read between the lines, proofread, and you'll find nothing but nonsense.